Hello my wonderful people, you welcome back again to my channel. Yes, so I'm back again with another video. So make una not look my face today. Oh, this is my real face, this is my real face. So make I arrange myself well before I go knack the story. Yes, our brother Moyele Sowore, I think most of us go don hear say he don sue DSS. Finally he sue them 500 million naira. He say they go pay am for damages. That is when they take hold am for nothing. He no do anything. This one na man wey be say common no cat na im be the least something wey be say you fit see am for children hand. They no see for a hand. My people, I no know wetin dem hold am for. Na play na Christmas na im wan reach so now na he don sue DSS. He say they go pay am 500 million naira. So if to say na true say they go really pay, e for good. That one na good move for Sowore side. But unfortunately na the wrong country, because why I talk like that be say this one na country wey be say they no dey respect law. They no dey respect law. Their own na just to put law, but they no dey respect the law because they are above the law. How they go take pay that kind of money? When e be say Nigeria sef, money wey dem owe for the whole world, you know how much Nigeria dey owe for the whole world? Debtors. When our government don change our name to, they never fit pay. Apart from that one, this one na man wey be say judge don free am 2 times. Judge say this man no do anything, say make dem leave am. DSS and Nigeria government dey still hold am for no reason, for nothing. So if Sowore talk say make dem pay am this kind money, who wan judge am? If he sue dem say dem go pay am this kind money, who wan judge am? No be the same judge wey be say dem no dey respect the law. That is, dem no dey respect wetin judge talk. How dem wan come take lis ten pay this money? Anyway, na good move sha. That one to show say if to say na advanced country, maybe na for uptown here, really they go pay am that money for damages, because that guy, he no get anything when he do. He no get anything when he do. If they get proof of this na wetin Sowore really do when they hold am for, therefore don't bring am come out. You go see am say they always dey cook yeah story. They bring some kind unnecessary things because they no get something when they hold for hand say na him do. They just hold am for no reason. So their conscience come dey judge themselves. They even come talk say dem for don leave Sowore na because say if dem leave Sowore say motor fit jam am. Can you just imagine that? That one na the greatest lie of the century wey me I don hear for this 2019. That one na the greatest lie wey I don hear. Sowore, man wey dey learned, man wey don live for amen, wey get wife and children. Before even this kind man go come and talk say he wan dey be voice to the voiceless, he wan dey lead revolution, he wan dey do take it back and everything, you go know how he wake up reach. So how all of a sudden say now if una leave am na motor go come jam am? Abi they don do am something for there? And they suspect something? Abi they get some things wey they don do? Because I no understand. This one na man wey be say dem say make una leave am. If lawyer come, una sign paper wey una take free am, lawyer carry am comot. So where motor for come jam person for inside? Abi na for highway na wan leave Sowore? Na for highway na dem wan for release am? When I hear this something, I dey think say all these people dey get plan. Abi they don change the enemy to Dundee? This one na big question. Okay, now make we look am for another side. This one na people wey be say this man no do something, una hold am for no reason. So all of a sudden una just come wake up now, una come just too like Sowore, una come just too get feelings for am, una come just too care for am. So una wan protect am, una no want make something happen to am, una no want make motor jam am, abi una no want make dem thief am. So because of that, una no fit leave am. Una no fit leave am when court talk 2 times. Him wife and the children dem dey miss am. That one, e no dey important, but una too like am. Una only hold am make motor no jam am. You see the way they take Nigerians? Dem think say everybody na Dundee. Dem think say as the government don change Nigerians reach, they don't think say anybody no get sense again. And most Nigerians, the one wey dey pay me for it, especially our youth, they are dancing to that tone of those people. All those cabas, all those people when they call themselves government for Nigeria, they dance to their tone. They don't manipulate Nigerians so tey sef when we go even see the thing wey be say e no right sef, person fear no go even let am talk. Na dey see different law wey dem dey put now say if you talk come out, this one go happen, this one go happen. Dem dey put different lie. They put different law, different lie here and there. Because of all this guru and mago when they do, this one na one of the things when I see say e make them comot history for our curriculum. Okay, tell me wetin make them comot history for our curriculum? Because they no wan make you know where you dey come from. Because person when you no know where you dey come from, you no go know where you dey go. Person when you no know his history, you no know where they come from. Because of all this mago when they do, they don't want me anybody know. They start from somewhere. Now they put more law. Say if you talk, come out. This one will happen to you. If you make some kind of speech, that hate speech, they go do this one to you. They go do this one to you. This is just the beginning. If the youth they don't wake up, these people they are ready. They are ready to turn Nigeria upside down totally. This one is just example with Showore now. See Showore now. Tell me wetin Showore do for no reason. Only Nigeria. That is where it happen. Maybe let me say in Africa. I don't know. I never go other Africa country. I know say all the leaders, all of them they be the same. But my country, when me I know so. Now they talk. If you go the whole world, now we even can be the highest debtor for the whole world. You know how much when Nigeria government they hold, when they don't change us to debtors. Yes, yet they still they heap more every day. They see they borrow here and there. We don't know what they can do yet. Now we still be the poorest people for Africa country. If they hold all this debt everywhere, they don't fit pay. Now money when Showore come take suit, then they will come pay. They no go pay. Not be say they don't get the money if they won't pay. They will pay. Therefore pay if they won't really pay. That money dey. All the money when they don't they gather for corruption, all this while, all the corruption money, where all of them. What of Abacha loot? All the money, where all of them. Now only here, now we take they hear, but we know they see anything for eye. If they won't pay, therefore pay. They no won't pay because they think say they are above the law. They are not to put law, but they know they respect law. People when you don't respect judge, now you want to respect ordinary citizen. My people, may we talk the truth. Nigeria, now only God now go save us. Only Nigeria, now only God now go deliver us. If we just they stay there, they pray, they do fasting and prayer, and we not make move. Even Bible talk and say, faith with action, without action, it know they work. Faith with action. If you dey pray to God, then you use action for long. If you don't take action for long, God no go come down for heaven. He go only give you that brain. Say this now waiting una go do to take liberate una self, to take free una self. So if we don't move, Nigeria will always remain like that. Instead, they go even they get worse. This one now why Showore need cooperation of the youth. He need the cooperation of everybody. Because this thing at the end of the day, now everybody now go enjoy this something. Even though say we not feel enjoy it the way we want it now, our children go enjoy it. Now our children now will they fight for. Christmas now won't reach now. The family they there now. The children don't see their papa. The wife you don't see husband. They put different life. This time around now, when they still hold on now, they still get different things when they go they bring come out. They still get another lie when they want still bring come and talk say na this one make them still hold am. All he say they don dey gather that lie, they don dey gather am. E never done. When the lie don done now, una go hear another news story say na this one be the reason wey make them live wey make them hold Showore ever since again. Make we dey look they say sit down look na im be dog name, but we know say even though they try to take, they can never seize our voice. Showore must be free, whether they like it or not, by thunder, by fire. Showore must be free because that guy is innocent. He's fighting for the unjust people. He's fighting for people when be say that they cry silently when they don't fit talk. Showore must be free. Yes, we will join our voice together. We will join our strength together. We will do the one we will fit do for his side. Showore must be free. Yes, I stand by my word. We must take it back by force because we don't see and say all these people now. Now only force you fit take them back from them. We must take it back. This one is social media era. First, they try to one block everywhere, close everywhere, so that they go just feed. They do their that is dem wey fit just dey do all their runs, that nobody go know wetin dey happen, nobody go ask dem where dem dey go, where dem dey come from. But e no work, e no fail. Could you imagine? Dem say dem no want make dem close social media, dem no want make social media dey bring any of their news come out. How dem wan take close? Social media is worldwide. If dem get that thing wey dem dey call faculty, therefore know say there is no way dem fit take close social media. You fit rule Nigerians, tell dem wetin you want for dem, give dem cook and boost story. I no know how some Igbo people dey talk am, but you no fit close something wey be say e dey na technology na im dey talk, na im dey rule the world now. So how dem go just come because dem dey put some kind yeye law for Nigeria, say if Nigeria no do this one, dem go do dem like this. Then you come just put that law, say the whole world now go. How you wan take stop social media? People go dey see wetin dem dey do, we go continue dey talk, and Showore must be full whether they like it or not. We no go give dem that chance. Dem no go win. Yes, at least I know say dem no go pay Showore that money, but at least Showore don make a step to tell dem say he know wetin dey. He no be just that dundee the way dem dey think say e be. He make that step, even though say dem no pay am, but that allegation go dey their head. E go dey their head. He don sue dem for damages. And when Showore say he sue dem, he talk the reason wetin make am sue dem. He talk the things, the damages, things wey dem do wey make am sue dem. Then now when he hold Showore, why dem too no fit talk wetin make dem hold Showore? Make dem still measure their own, still talk their own. This one na wetin dem hold Showore for. This one na wetin we catch am with. Showore don talk him own, na im make am sue dem 500. Una when he hold Showore, make dem still come out, make dem still talk their own, say this one na wetin we hold Showore for. This one na wetin Showore dey suffer for our hand for. So my people, na here I go roll up today. Make I no come talk pass the way I suppose talk, because I no wan make this video too long, because I still get other things when I wan still do today. So my people, if another new turn up still dey, another new story wey still concern this matter, I go still let una know. Una know say I dey I no dey see something now when I go close my mouth. Anything when I see now I dey talk. So my people, na here I go roll up today. Abeg, if you like this my video, don't forget to give me thumb up, and don't forget to press the bell, which is notification bell, and don't forget to click the subscription button. You will see am, e dey near where that bell dey. You just click am, click the bell, join am. So anytime when I put new video, you just get that message for your phone. Think say I don put new video. And again, I don still say thank you to people wey don already subscribe to this my channel. Thank you. Na your support. Thank you for your love and your support and your kindness. Thank you. Until I come your way some other time, hope to come your way soonest. For now, I say have a blessed day. Ciao, ciao, ciao.